Hello students, I hope you might have done the periodic tests very well. Have the papers with you. On reopening day, you must submit your test papers. Let us move on to chapter number 6, Combustion and Flame. In the previous chapter, we have learned about some fuels. Fuels are of three types: solid fuels, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. We have learned diesel, petrol, CNG in the previous chapter. Wood, coal and charcoal are examples for solid fuels. Petrol and diesel are for liquid fuels, and compressed natural gas CNG and LPG are some examples for gaseous fuels. What happens when they burn? When the fuels burn, they produce heat and light. What is the difference between the burning of a candle and the burning of a fuel like coal? When candle burns, it produces flame, but the coal does not. Let us study the chemical process of burning and the types of flame produced during this process. Recall the activity of burning of magnesium ribbon performed in the class 7. We learned that magnesium burns to form magnesium oxide and produces heat and light. We can perform a similar activity with a piece of charcoal. Hold the piece with a pair of tongs and bring it near the flame of a candle or a Bunsen burner. What do you observe? We find that charcoal burns in air. We know that coal too burns in air, producing carbon dioxide, heat and light. What is combustion? A chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Sometimes light, either as a flame or as a glow, is also given off during combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. It is also called a fuel. In the reactions mentioned above, magnesium and charcoal are combustible substances. Look at the table. The materials are given: wood, paper, iron nail, kerosene oil, stone piece, straw, charcoal, matchsticks and glass. Categorize them into combustible and non-combustible substances. Wood, paper, kerosene oil, straw, charcoal and matchsticks are combustible substances, whereas iron nail, stone piece and glass are non-combustible substances. Let us recall what we have discussed in today's session. Fuels, substances which provide energy on burning in air, are called fuels. They may be of various types. Solid fuels such as wood, coal, cow dung cakes, charcoal. Liquid fuels like kerosene, petrol and diesel. Gaseous fuels such as CNG, LPG and coal gas. Combustion. It is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat. Sometimes light, either as a flame or as a glow, is also given off during combustion. In the sun, heat and light are produced by nuclear reactions.